Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Knowledge Lab. This is the place where science and technology come alive, and today we are diving into something truly groundbreaking. Imagine this: two satellites floating in space, moving at incredible speed, and then, like magic, they come together and lock in place. Sound like something out of a science fiction movie, right? Well, it is about become reality thanks to ISRO latest mission SPADX. I came across this fascinating news in the Hindu newspaper and I just had to share it with you all. If this mission succeed, India will join an elite group of nations capable of orbital docking. So let's break it down and see why this mission is such a big deal. First, let's understand what orbit docking. Think of it like this. Imagine parking your car in a garage, but there's the twist. Both your car and the garage are moving super fast. That's exactly what docking in space is like. Two satellites flying miles above Earth have to align perfectly and connect without a hitch. Why is this important? Once satellite dock, they can work together like a team, they can share power, resources, and even take on tasks that are impossible alone. This technology is also the key to building large structure in space, like the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, India's very own space station, which ISRO is already planning. This brings us to SPADEX, short for Space Docking Experiment. It's the mission designed to prove that ISRO can handle and challenge up orbital docking. Here's how the mission will work. Two satellites, each weighing about 220 kilograms, will be launched into space aboard the PSLV C-60 rocket. Once they are in orbit, the real action begins. They will attempt to dock with each other while moving at incredible speed. But docking is just the first step. After that, the satellite will share electric power, an essential capability for future mission involving space robotics, and function together as a single unit to test how well they can cooperate. And after then, undock and continue operating independently. This mission is like a practice run for future projects involving in space repairs, robotics operation, and expanding our space station. If SWADC succeed, India will become the fourth country in the world to master this incredible technology, joining the rank of space gained like US, Russia, and China. This is not just about the science, it is about providing that India is ready to lead in space exploration. Here's what this technology could mean for the future: fixing or upgrading satellite directly in orbit, saving time and resources, and building large space station piece by piece, and preparing deep space mission and human exploration. SPADX is expected to launch in December 2024, and all eye will be on ISRO as they take this giant leap forward. This mission is not just about docking, it is about showing India innovation and determination to push the boundaries of what possible. What do you think? Could this be the beginning of new era for India in space? Share your thoughts in comment below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Knowledge Lab. Together, let's explore the wonders of science and technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.